हेलो रियन, वेलकम बैक। प्लेसमेंट प्रिपरेशन में आपका फिर से स्वागत है। आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे डीएसए के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। ये है वीडियो पार्ट 2, जहां पे हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं डीएसए के टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन जो कंपनीज में पूछे जा चुके हैं। नाउ मूव करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर की तरफ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है रिकर्सन और स्टैक से। यहाँ पे देखिए ओवरऑल जो रिकर्सिव फंक्शन का कोड लिखा हुआ है, आपको यहाँ बताना है टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी कितनी है। यहाँ पे देखें रिटर्न में यहाँ पे 2 रिकर्सिव कॉल है, यानी कि हर बार 2 कॉल यहाँ पे हो रहे हैं, यानी कि ईच कॉल मेक्स 2 रिकर्सिव कॉल हेयर, सो दैट रिकर्सन टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी इज tn equal to 2tn minus 1. When we solve that, we get big of n 2 to power n. That's why option of B is correct here. Why other option is wrong? A, C or D? A, when we talk about A, it is a linear only if one recursive call there, but here is a 2 recursive call. That's why option number A is a wrong here. Option number C, it is used for no quadratic loop. That's why it's wrong here. Option number D, big of log n, it's log n apply for divide by 2 recursion. That's why option number D is wrong here. Option number B is only the correct option here. Now move to the next question. Which sorting algorithm cannot be implemented in a place? So correct option here is merge sort, because merge sort it need auxiliary array, and other option is not true because other can be done in a place. So the correct option here, which is not which is cannot be implemented in place, so option number C is correct one, merge sort. And all other option number A, B or D is correct because it's the implement in place. Now move to the next question. Which algorithm is used to find strongly connected components in a directed graph? So the correct option here is option number C, Khosrow-Raju algorithm, because Khosrow-Raju algorithm is used to find strongly connected component in a directed graph. By other option number A and B, it is used for MST, and option number D, it is used for shortest path. Now move to the next question. What will be the output of following code? Just see here, int array, we have 1 2 3 4 5 here, and percentage D, and array plus 3. It means that it is directly pointed to the fourth element of array. What is the fourth element here? It is a 4. Now correct option here, option number D, because array is pointing to the current scenario, but we add here 3, that is means it is directly pointed to the fourth element, that is here it's 4. The value of fourth pointer is 4. Sorry, when we talk about I just say array means it pointing to the current value, that is index 0, that is 0 here. ठीक, when we add 3, it directly point here 0 1 2 2 3, that is 3. And what is the value of 3 here? It's 4. The correct option here is option number D, because array plus 3, it is a pointer to fourth element, that is the value of pointer of here is 4. That's why option number D is the correct here. And why other option is wrong? Because it is the misinterpret pointer arithmetic. That's why all other option number B, C and D is C is not correct. Now move to the next question. In binary tree with n leaf node has at least how many total nodes? So the correct option here is option number B, 2n minus 1, because in a fully binary tree n leaf required at least 2n minus 1 node. That's why option number B is the correct one. Now move to the next question. Array 1 4 3 7 9 12 15, what is the maximum comparison required in ternary search? So the correct option here is option number A, because each step divide into a 3 part, and log, when we talk about other option number B, it give n binary sets. When we talk about option number C and D, it is wrong here. That's why only option number A is the correct one. What is the maximum comparison required for ternary search? That is option number A, big big of log 3n. Now move to the next question. Which statement is true? Now correct statement is BFS is Q and DFS is for stack. So the correct option here, option number C, BFS use Q, DFS use stack and recursion. Now move to the next question. length of LCS for string A B C B D A B and B D C A B. The correct option here is 4 because LCS BCAB or BDAB is used. So the correct option here, option number C here. Why other option is wrong? Option number A, B or D, because the length are wrong here. I move to the next question. Which method avoid primary clustering? When we talk about primary clustering, the correct option here is option number B and C, यानी कि quadratic or double sharing, because quadratic probing or double hashing reduce a clustering and linear probing is used for primary clustering. So the correct option here is both B and C. Now, what is the worst case complexity of search in BST? So the correct option here is big of N, because if tree become skewed, then the worst case is big of N. Why other option is wrong? Option number, when we talk about option number A, it's only option number is used only in a balanced MST. When we talk about option number C or D, it is the invalid here. Now, what is the time complexity of building a maximum heap for an unsorted array of size n? When we talk about unsorted array of size n, then the time complexity of building a maximum heap is option number B, big of N, because bottom up heapify building a heap in a linear time. That's why option number B is the correct. Why other option is not correct? Option number A, because it's the wrong here, because inserting one by one would be a take big of and log N. So option number C and D, it's incorrect here, it is invalid here. Now move to the next question. Which algorithm work even when the graph contain negative edge weighted but no negative cycle? So the correct option here is Bellman-Ford, option number B, because Bellman-Ford algorithm work even when the graph contain negative edge weighted but not a negative cycle here. And why other option is not correct? When we talk about option number A, Dijkstra fail on negative weighted. When we talk about option number C also work, but Bellman-Ford is classical one. So when we talk about option number D, Prism, it is the unrated, it is used in MST. Now move to the next question. Time complexity of KMP and Kruth Morris path pattern searching. And when we talk about KMP pattern searching for time complexity, it gives M plus N, big of N plus N. Option number B is the correct one. It's when we talk about other option like option number A, C and D, it's not correct here. Only option of B, big of M plus N, because big of M, it is used for pre-processing pattern, and big of N, it is used for searching. That's why the correct option here for pattern searching is big of M plus N. Now move to the next question. What is the time complexity of reverse a singly linked list of N nodes? The correct option here is big of N, option number B, because each node pointer is changed once. Now, if pre-order A, B, D, E, C, F, and in order D, B, E, A, F, C, what is the root here? So the root here is option number A. That is A is the root here, because pre-order always start with the root node. That's why option A is the correct one, because pre-order start with the root node. A is the root node here, and in order here, that middle, this one is a root node here, and same root node is A. How we find? Because we know that in pre-order the root start with the starting. We can also say that pre-order always start with the root node. Now move to the next question. Which sorting algorithm is not stable stable by default? So the correct option here is quicksort, because partitioning may reorder equal element. Postfix expression 10 5 plus 66 divided by an asterisk. How we solve that? And first step, we solve this one. We get 10 plus 5, that is 15. After that, we are going to solve this one. 60 divided by 6, that we get 10. After that, we left with asterisk, that is the multiplication. We will multiply both, we get 150 here. So correct option here, option number A. Now move to the next question. In a graph with n node, maximum number of edge in a simple undirected graph is. So the correct option here, option number C, n by 1 divided by 2. It is a complete graph, no loop, no multiplied edges. The correct option is option number C. Now move to the next question. Matrix and multiplication problem has a complexity of. The correct option here is option number C, big of n cube, because use DP table with I, J pairs. Option number question number 20, trick pointer. Now just see here, we have a string hello and percentage C. This one give the position value at index 2. We have hello h 0 1 2 3 4. What we get? L. Option number C is the correct one. Now using a union by rank plus path comparison, each operation run in option number B, big of alpha by n, because alpha n equal to inverse Ackermann almost constants. That's why option number B is the correct one. Time complexity of searching a word of length L in a tree. The correct option here is traverse each character. That's why we get big of L. Maximum color required to color a bipeptide graph. Bipeptide graph, when we talk about bipeptide graph, minimum color required to color a bipeptide graph is 2. So option number B is the correct one. Now, which sorting algorithm has a best case big of n? The correct option here, insertion sort, because already sorted input give big of n. Which problem is solved using a Karen algorithm? We already know that that similar question we solve in part 1. We know that Karen algorithm is used in maximum sub array sum. Option number B is the correct one. Thank you everyone. मिलते हैं next video में next topic के साथ.